Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you how to make Chrome as default browser in Windows 10. So first of all, you can make your Google Chrome as default browser using your browser. Just go to the settings and then scroll down, and you will get the option here, default browser, and just click on here to make default browser, and it will open the settings. And now here you have to choose the choose a default web browser. So you can just click on it, and you can here you can see the Google Chrome browser. You can choose this browser, and now your browser default browser is set successfully. When you open any web page, and it will open automatically in Google Chrome browser. So this is how you can set your Google Chrome as default browser in Windows 10. And you can do manually, like go to the settings, first click on start button, and then go to the settings, and then go to the apps, and here you will find the default apps, and just scroll down, and here you will get the web browser. If you wanted to change the default web browser, you can just click on it, and you can choose your favorite browser, like Google Chrome, Firefox, any browser that you have installed in your system. So I'm going to leave as Google Chrome as default browser. So this is how you can set Google Chrome as default browser in Windows 10. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please like this video, and that's all for this video, and I will see you guys in next video. Thanks for watching this video.